Ladies and gentlemen, it's you, Steph, and today I'm gonna show you how to do a show mix. Do a consultation with the artist because you never know what they may want. That's gonna save you a lot of trouble in the end. You don't wanna do the wrong thing. So let's get started. I already have 3 beats loaded up. Typically these would be songs, but I'm just gonna use 3 beats of mine. Now, of course, what you wanna do is find the tempo. The tempo of this is, I have it as 145. I'm not sure if I typed that incidentally, but it's actually 134. This one is 98, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, you want to go through and just find the tempo of each of your tracks so that they transition smoothly. And now I got the quick track here just to make sure that everything is in check. Let's see. All right, that sounds like that's in beat. Of course, you could tell, because if you go each bar from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and so forth, you can see that they line up perfectly. So let's check the next one. Shout out to Also Familiar for this co-production on this one. All right, that's on beat. And last one.
Steph C, baby.
Ladies, tie your hair up like it's time to go to work. All right, sound good to me. It really all depends on, again, what the artist wants. That's why you want to do your consultation. I just did one recently and they didn't want me to fade the beat in. And the only reason I would do that is because you may have an artist that wants to talk a little bit before the beat drops. It's all about the vibe. But don't be afraid to also suggest things to the artist that they may have not known. Because that's what's going to keep them booking you to do show mixes. So let's talk about transition. So from song 1 to song 2, now I already got a beat fade on here, but let's say this wasn't a fade right here. You would want to do that to fade the beat out, and then you want to fade the next song in. See, real smooth, real easy. Now, let's just go to the third song, and this is about almost 10 minutes in length. So I'm gonna show you 2 more things, right? Let's just say the artist wants to talk before the next song comes in. So you want to give them a little breather. What I'll do is about 10 seconds. All right, so right here, this is where they'll talk. They'll fill the crowd out, say a prayer, say a thanks, whatever.
Steph C, baby.
And then boom, just like that, the next song comes in. Let me show you the other thing. Now, we may not need the full track. Maybe the artist just wants the first verse and hook. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to cut the second half of the beat. All right, now we may not want it to end like that, so this is what I do. I add some sauce, go to verify, and aka the tape stock effect, and then let's see how it sounds now. And there you go. Just some free gems, free sauce. Ladies and gentlemen, if this has helped you in any type of way, let me know. Hit me on Instagram, hit me on YouTube at HughSteph. I answer back, so let me know what other videos I could do for you. Any tutorials on how to make a beat from scratch, whatever you could think of, you name it. And if this has helped you, like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're on Instagram, repost. And on that note, peace, blessings. I'm out.